Hi, welcome to Healthy Tasty Meals. This is Doris. Thank you for tuning in today. So this channel is all about showing you how to make your meal in a more healthier and tasty way. So hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified each time we upload new recipe. So today for this recipe, I'll be needing this. So I'll be using 2 slices of bread for this recipe, and the bread is made of cassava flour. So I'm going to leave an article in the description button why you should use or why you should be eating bread made of cassava flour rather than the regular bread flour. So please try to check that out. So instead of butter, I'm using organic tomato paste. So you can still check this button that just pop up now to learn how to make your own tasty tomato paste at home. So I use this instead of butter to reduce the oil or the fat content in the toast. So this 1/4 teaspoon of oil will help the egg not to totally get burnt. It will help it to kind of fry better. So as you flip, give it a gentle press like this so that the center of the bread can also get heated up so that the egg does not just absorb into the bread and remain fresh. So this will help it to properly cook to the inside of the bread. So here is it, guys. We are done with our egg coated toast bread, and this is very amazing. So you can give that a try and let me know at the comment section how it tastes. It tastes really good because toasting the bread give it this crispy texture, and then coating it with the egg, it kind of make it so small, it kind of soft and crispy, and it's so delicious. And of course, I like going in with my fresh tomato. You can even use cucumber to have some veggies to add to your meal. So like I said, see, the inside is still well cooked and it's very soft and delicious. So for more videos on healthy meals, and click the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video.